Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh and welcome to the FlexMind channel. In our last video, we saw how to use the PowerShell action in Power Automate Desktop. In today's video, we will see how to use folder action in Power Automate Desktop. So let's start. I will create a new flow and I will just name it folder example test 1. Okay, I will just create. So if you see on the left hand side of the window, there is a node called folder. Under this, there are lots of sub actions. Get files in folder, get subfolders in folder, create folder, delete folder, empty folder, copy folder, move folder, rename folder, and get special folder. For our today's video, we will just go through the 4 actions: get files in folder, get subfolders in folder, create folder, and delete folder. In order to show the example, I have already created a main folder called pad underscore folder underscore test, and under this folder I have created some subfolders and few text files. So let's see. I will just drag this get files in folder and I will give the path of the main folder. So let's go and I will just provide the path of the main folder, which is pad folder underscore text. And I will just leave the settings as it is and I will just save it. In order to display the result, I will just use a display message box. Sorry, display message. And I will see result for folder. And the message to display, I will just take the output list of the files and it will be an information. I will just save this. Now if we run this, it will display all the files inside my folder. So if I go here, you can see test1, test2, test3 and test4 are the files basically residing inside pad underscore folder underscore test. Okay, now we will go to get subfolders in folder. I will just drag this and I will just choose again the topmost folder, which is pad underscore folder underscore test, and I will leave the settings as it is and I will just save it. Now I will again use a message box to display the result. I will put test subfolders and message to display. I will just use the folders and I will just make it as an information and save it. I will disable these 2 actions as of now because I have to just run these 2 actions. So I will just run the flow. So now you can see it will list down all the subfolders inside my folder, which is pad underscore folder underscore test. Okay, now we will use create folder. So suppose if I want to create a folder inside subfolder 1. Okay, so what I will do, I will just create a new folder into. So I want to create a folder inside folder 1. So let me choose this folder 1 first. And I will create a folder and I will just put today's date. I will just save it. Now again I will disable this action because I don't have to run these actions. So I will just disable this action and I will just run this action. So now let's see the result, whether it has created a subfolder or not. Okay, so now you can see it has created a subfolder inside subfolder 1, which is test-29-62020. Now delete folder. I will just delete the same folder which we have just now created. This. I will save this. Now I will just disable this action and I will just run the delete folder command. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it already deleted the folder which just now we created. So this is the way we use the get files in folder, get subfolders in folder, create folder and delete folder. In our next video, which will be the second part of this video, we'll see how we can use the empty folder, copy folder, move folder, rename folder and get special folder. Hope you all will like this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe to our channel for more videos on Power Automate Desktop. Thank you.